I think they're taking people for, they're just like tourists riding on the back of the jet skis. So I'm just walking across the bridge now. It's a floating restaurant right on the River Kwai, the edge of the River Kwai. Quite a few people in here, it's early evening. And here we have the bridge of an evening with all its lights on. Look, kids there playing the guitar. I'm just walking across the bridge now. These sort of arched pieces. They look to be like it's some sort of cast steel. There's lots of people here seeing it. I'm just going to get on the central bit where I was before. And there's some, you've got some jet skiers on the river. And you've got some, I think they call those things sup-boards. And you can see the full length of the bridge. The sun's pretty bright, as you can see there on one side. There's a statue, I'm not sure, see the Buddha just over there. Doggy in front of me here. Don't want to move. Mr. Doggy, don't want to move. Down there, let's have a look at the jet skiers, see what they're doing. I think they're taking people for, they're just like tourists riding on the back of the jet skis. All the pieces are riveted together. So there's a lot of engineering gone into it. I'm not sure who the designer was. I'll see if I can find out later and drop that in the video. But Fantastic piece of engineering, considering when it was built. So we have this, there's a large temple complex there. Here we have the sup-boards again. It's quite a long bridge. I will find out how long it is exactly, but it's got to be, it's over 400 metres, probably close to 600 metres. There's some restaurants down there, just opening up, it is quite early. So yeah, I can just see the end of the bridge just in front of me now. It is quite long. I wonder how long it took to make the bridge and then construct it. Was it built in place, or did they build it somewhere else and put it all together piece by piece on site? Let's just take a look back where we've just been. It doesn't look that, when you're looking the full length, it doesn't look that long, but it is quite long. I will find out how long it is and drop that on the video. I think this is actually the end of where the archways. There, it ends here, so the bridge actually ends here. It does carry on a little bit further, but there's no more of the ironwork on show, as like this one that you can see here. There are lots of little restaurants down there, so I think that's where I'm going to go and get something to eat. So this is the ground level, just on the beach part. So I've just made my way down to this restaurant. It's a floating restaurant right on the River Kwai, the edge of the River Kwai. Quite a few people in here. It's early evening. 6:35. And a fish has just jumped up. I missed him on the camera. The lights on the bridge have just started to come on. So that should look nice once it does drop a bit darker, and you get a different perspective of it. And let's see what we've ordered. So we've ordered a pad kapow. There it is. The deep fried pork. Actually, I've had chicken, rice, egg, and there's some cucumber served with it as well. I've had a Leo and a bottle of water because I'm a little bit dehydrated. It's a nice restaurant. There are a few people in, so let's see what it tastes like, the food. And there's the Leo just arrived. I have had ice in with the Leo. I don't usually do. In fact, I've never tried it with ice before, so let's see how that goes down. And there's the pad kapow. It looks really tasty, and I think I'm going to enjoy it. So the pad thai is finished. It was very good, delicious actually. The Leo I've seen off, there's not too much left of that. The pad kapow was 120 baht, which is £2.63. Very good value. And the Leo was 105 baht, which was I believe that's £2.30. So again, very good value. And there's the bridge. You can't see much of it now because it's in dark and it's not that well lit up. There are lots of people in the restaurant. It's 7:15 and very busy now, quite packed actually. So I think I'll end the video there today. I hope you've enjoyed, and if you have enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing, like and share, and watch out for the other videos which will be coming out very soon. Bye for now. Thanks for watching the video to the end. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please consider subscribing, like and share. Watch out for my other videos which will be coming out very soon. Thanks again for watching, and bye for now.